you today?
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
I'm
I'm
fine.
good,
Thank
Miss.
you.
How about you,
Fine,
Miss?
Miss.
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Before we start our lesson today, let me check your attendance first, please. Desi Putri Amalia,
Present, Miss.
Suhat Taufida,
Present, Miss.
Mentira Exaudi,
Present, Miss.
Rahma Ayu,
Present, Miss.
and last Kaisa Sabina.
Present, Miss.
Okay, all student is present today. Today, we are going to learn about report text, dolphin as intelligent marine mammals. Let's begin. Now, look at the picture on the screen. Why do many scientists consider dolphin intelligent animals? Before answering the question, let me ask you something. What animal is this?
A dolphin.
Dolphin, Miss.
Okay, good student. Have you ever seen a dolphin?
Yes, I have,
Yes, I
Miss.
have, Miss.
What do you know about dolphin?
They live in the sea.
Another? Ada yang lain? Yang diketahui dari dolphin itu apa sih? Ada? Oke. Kalau tidak ada, kita lanjut ke pertanyaan yang di atas ini. Why do many scientists consider dolphin intelligent animals?
Because dolphins can communicate and use echolocation, Miss.
Okay, interesting answer. Next, before we continue, let's look at our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the social function of a report text, identify the generic structure of a report text, find general and specific information from the text, and last is answer comprehension question based on the text. Now, before reading the text, let's learn some important vocabulary. Please listen and repeat after me. Marine mammals.
Marine
mammal.
Okay, good. Marine mammals is a mammal that lives in the ocean, such as dolphin. And next vocab is blowhole.
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 Okay. A blowhole is the opening on top of a dolphin head that it used to breathe. And next vocab is echolocation.
Echolocation.
Echolocation is a method dolphins use to find food and navigate underwater. And next is habitat.
Habitat.
Okay, good. Habitat means the natural place where an animal lives. And last vocab is communicate.
Communicate.
Excellent. Communicate means to share information or express ideas with others. Okay, everyone. Now that we have learned some important vocabulary, let's move on the reading. Now, I would like one volunteer to read the first paragraph. Please pay attention to the pronunciation and try to understand the information in the text. Who wants to read the first paragraph?
Suha.
Boleh. Suha.
Dolphin as intelligent marine mammals. Dolphins are marine mammals that belong to the cetacean family. They are widely distributed in oceans and seas around the world and are considered one of the most intelligent animals on Earth.
Okay, thank you, Zuha. Can another student read the second paragraph?
Kaisha, Miss?
Boleh, Kaisha.
Yes, dolphins have streamlined bodies that help them swim efficiently. They breathe through a blowhole located on the top of their heads and must regularly surface for air. Most dolphins feed on fish and squid.
Okay, good, Kaisha. And last paragraph, who wants to read?
How to try.
Boleh, Desi.
One of the most remarkable characteristics of dolphins is their intelligence. They can communicate using a variety of sound and body movements. Dolphins also use echolocation to find food and navigate underwater.
Okay, that's right, everyone. Now, based on the text, what is the text about?
About dolphin.
Dolphin, Miss.
Dolphin is a marine mammal.
Okay, the text is about dolphin and provides information about their characteristic and behavior. Now, let me ask you another question. Does the text tell a story about dolphin?
No.
No, Miss.
No, Miss.
Okay. And next question is, does the text give us factual information about dolphins?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, it does, Miss.
Excellent, everyone. Because the text provides factual information about dolphins, it is called a report text. Now, let's learn more about report text. What is report text? Nobody know? Okay, let me explain it. Report text is a text that presents factual information about person, animal, plant, object, or phenomenon in general. The purpose or social function of a report text is to present factual information about something in general based on fact. For example, this text gives us factual information about dolphin. The writer is not telling a story, but the writer is presenting fact about dolphin. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, Miss.
Clear, Miss.
Excellent. Now, let's identify the generic structure of the text. A report text usually has two parts. The first one is general classification. General classification is introduce the topic in general. And the second is description. Description provide detailed information about the topic. Let's go back to the reading text. Look at the first paragraph. Dolphins are marine mammals that belong to the cetacean family. This paragraph introduces dolphins generally. Therefore, this part is called general classification. Now, look at the second and third paragraph. This paragraph explains how dolphins breathe, what they eat, how they communicate, and why they are intelligent. Because they provide detailed information, they belong to the description section. So remember, general classification introduces the topic, and description provide detailed information about the topic. Now that we understand the structure of the text, let's check your understanding. Question number 1. What kind of animal is dolphin?
A marine mammal.
Okay, good, Suha. Question number 2. How do dolphins communicate?
They communicate using sounds and body movements, Miss.
Good, Keisha. Question number 3. What is echolocation used for?
It is used to find food and navigate underwater.
Okay, excellent, Desi. Today, we have learned about report text through the topic dolphin as intelligent marine mammals. We learned that a report text presents factual information and usually consists of general classification and description. I hope this lesson helps you improve your reading comprehension and understand factual text more easily. Thank you for your participation and attention today. See you in the next lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss. Have a nice day.
Nice day.
Today.